So we're getting off of work right now. We're gonna see what's up. Yo, just made it home and I'm about to down this big boy. Yeah, a lot of protein up in here. Let's go, let's go. Now, before I show you anything, I'm training in the sand, and yeah, this is the benefits of training in the sand. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Fuck you talking about, nigga. I gotta jump up off the porch and head straight to the top. I ain't worried about no nigga or no groupie ass stop. Keep my circle real small like a period dot. Yo, my flow ice cold, but my stay really hot. I gotta jump up off the porch and head straight to the top. I ain't worried about no nigga or no groupie ass stop. Keep my circle real small like a period dot. Yo, my flow ice cold, but my stay really hot. It's way too many bodies out here dropping in my city. Lot of mamas out here crying, yelling, screaming out, Ricky. You'll get hit up in your neck. I ain't talking about a hickey. Man, they'll leave you dead fresh, handsome or pretty. That's why I only trust myself, cause nobody fucking with me when I had a pair of ripped up ass Vans and some pennies. Wanna live Bill Gates, I ain't worried about no Fendi. I remember even close friends wouldn't try to help. That's why I gotta ball hard, cause right now I ain't got nothing. My mama work 100 hours and she still out here struggling. My cousin acting like a zombie, he addicted to that bubbly. Man, I swear it hurt my soul when my grandma died abrupt. And why the fuck is everybody out here asking me for money? Need to get up off my dick and make some doing sucky sucky. Man, it's all praise to Jah. I ain't out here being lucky. My drip gon' hang real low, like my nose real runny. But I still smile wide, looking like Bugs Bunny. Your bitch gon' still bust it open, saying, damn boy, I'm coming. Keep my eye on the prize. I ain't talking about 100 niggas, always talking shit, but ain't trying to be a plumber. Be a much better fit, like an all black jumper. Gotta count it all up. I'm addicted to these numbers. I'm about to reach to the sky like a full piece of lumber, and I'm always making moves like that bird road runner. I gotta jump up off the porch and head straight to the top. I ain't worried about no nigga or no groupie ass stop. Keep my circle real small like a period dot. Yo, my flow ice cold, but my stay really hot. I gotta jump up off the porch and head straight to the top. I ain't worried about no nigga or no groupie ass stop. Keep my circle real small like a period dot. Yo, my flow ice cold, but my stay really hot.
Juicy X Bridgers is the best!
All right, that's the end of the video. Yeah, I hope y'all like it. See you next time. Next video will come out next week. Yeah. Peace out. Peace out.